Getting the Chefman Fryer ready to fry up some delicious wings today. Check this out. The unit right here. Then on the back, we're going to install the frying element into it. Slides into the groove slots right on the back in here. And inside, you have your heating element, which heats up the oil, as well as we have, turn this around, all of the controls for the Chefman here. Plugs in right here in the back and right into your receptacle. Inside the Chefman is a maximum and minimum line for the oil. So you just put it in. We like to use good vegetable oil to fry up some wings. And here's the vegetable oil that we use. It's just basically Kirkland. I believe you can get that at either Costco or Walmart or anything that you prefer. Some people like peanut oil. You can use that in there. And that is a 3-quart bottle. We use about 1.5 of the other bottle. So you got about 4.5 quarts that's in there. And that filled up inside of the Chefman. And again, I don't know if you can see, but there's a line over here that says maximum height for your oil level. So you just pour it on in until it reaches that level. And then you're ready to turn her on. Comes with a nice basket that you can put your food in and a handle. And I really like that it comes up here. And then you just hook it right into the slot and the grooves that's here. Especially helpful when you're done frying your food and then you're just in the draining process of letting all that oil come off of your fish or your chicken wings or whatever you have got in the Chefman fryer. Well, as you can see, it also comes with a nice lid that we like to use. You know how the grease will get all over as it's frying. So we just put the lid on it and it actually keeps it much more safe. Has grooves all along the edge here that your basket can fit in there, as well as there's a slotted groove up in here that fits around the heating elements. You have a observation window that you can see if you look down in here. You can see the heating element as well as the grease, and there is a filter that's on here. And it just helps you control some of the grease that's coming up as well as the smoke. So there is a replaceable cartridge that's in there. So, okay, we are ready to get started here. So we set our temperature at 375. And then normally what we'll do is we will put the timer on. And that is for 60 minutes. So she has started and it will start heating up the oil so we can put those chicken wings in there and get them done. As you can see, as we set all of the temperature and the timer, all the lights, the power lights and the heating light came on, and we'll just sit here. Probably takes about 15 minutes for it to warm up properly, and we will be ready to start frying some wings. Now those wings are looking good. We got the Chefman Fryer set at 375 degrees, and we're letting these chicken wings fry for about 20 minutes with a nice golden brown crust on them. Just look at them bubbling away in that hot oil, getting golden brown and crispy on the outside. Man, don't they look good. I can't wait to get those out and give them a try. Now that the wings are done, it's time for some fresh cut fries. We got them cooking away in the Chefman Fryer, and you can already see them starting to turn that perfect golden brown. There's nothing quite like French fries right out of hot oil, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and the perfect side for those wings. And here they are, fresh out of the Chefman Fryer. We got the wings laid out on a sheet pan lined with paper towels to help soak up some of that extra oil. And while they're nice and hot, we're going to hit them with a little salt and pepper so that seasoning sticks right to them. Just look at that golden, crispy skin. Nothing complicated here, just hot, crispy chicken wings, seasoned as soon as they come out of the fryer. Give them a couple minutes to cool down, and these are ready to hit the plate and be eaten. Man, they smell as good as they look. And that's going to wrap it up. The Chef Man Fryer did a great job on both the chicken wings and those French fries. Hot, crispy, and exactly the way we like them. If you're interested in checking out the Chef Man Fryer for yourself, it's available on Amazon. We'll have a link in the description below so you can take a closer look. Thanks for watching Sean's Outdoor Journeys, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye now.